Is your Apple Wallet overflowing with cards you no longer use? Let's get that tidied up. First, locate and tap on the Wallet app icon on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one that looks like a white card on a dark background. Now, once you're in the Wallet app, scroll through your cards until you find the one you want to remove. Tap on the card to select it. On the card details screen, look for the three dots, also known as an ellipsis, in the top right corner and tap it. A menu will appear. Scroll down until you see the Remove Card option. Tap on it. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove the card. Carefully read the message, and if you're ready, tap Remove. And just like that, the card is gone. The Wallet app will refresh, and you'll see your updated list of cards. There's also another way to remove cards through your Apple ID settings. Go to Settings, then tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. You might need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Here, you'll see all the cards associated with your Apple ID. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. A red minus icon will appear next to each card. Tap the red icon next to the card you want to remove, then tap Delete. Confirm your choice and the card will be removed from your Apple ID and your Apple Wallet. Easy peasy. Now you have a cleaner, more organized Apple Wallet. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.